Alright, welcome to Google Presentation short tutorial. What you see on the screen here is simply the home page of Google Presentations. As you can see, it's very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. And you can see these toolbars that I'm pointing to right here. You can do various things with these toolbars, as I'll show you in a moment. First off, simple thing, text. You can type it. Click on the text box, type it. Now, to add a text box, you just click that T up in the upper left-hand toolbar. You can manipulate this box any way you want, and you can just type in whatever you want. Now, once you type it, you can go ahead and center it, just like you would in Microsoft Word or anything like that. Then you can make the box smaller to fit the text. You can move this box down below or up above. You can move it anywhere on the slide. It's very user-friendly. Now, you can see these toolbars. There's different functions here. I can click go back and go forward, undo, redo. If I make any mistakes, I can change colors. I can change color of the text box itself, as you can see. Now, I have the main text box in yellow. Now I can move my little text box out, and it's still white, and I can change the color of that if I wanted to as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at how you can manipulate the slides here. You go up to the left-hand bar there, and you can see above there you can duplicate a slide that you just made, so you can keep the format if you want, or you can just make a new slide altogether. Choose the format that you desire for the new slide, and now you have a brand new slide to work with. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you that you can do this two ways. You have it up there at the top in the blue bar. You can make a slide. You can also make a slide over at above the left-hand window. Now let's go ahead and take a look at how you can put an image into your slide. It's very easy. Of course, you can download, upload pictures. That can take some time needlessly. So you can also just go ahead and find a picture that you would desire to put into your slide and copy the URL of that picture and paste it into your slide. And this is what I'm going to show you here. So I find some kitties, and I choose the picture that I want to use. I click on that, and it takes me to the screen. Hit full-size image. Make sure you hit the full-size image so you see where that image is at. It goes to it. You right-click on it, and you come down here and you hit Copy Image URL. That's going to copy the URL of the image, or where it's located on the internet. So you copy that. You go back to your screen for Google Presentations. You paste that in. You hit Save. And you'll see that this picture comes right into your presentation. You can manipulate this, put it anywhere on the slide you want, make it your background if you would desire. You can then go ahead and add a text box to go with this picture. And in the text box you can make bullet points and numbers just like you would on a Microsoft Office product. Now you can change the bullet points, you can make them numbers. And there you go. You can add your text in a coherent manner to go with the photo. Now let's go ahead and take a look at how we can format the background. If you go up to that blue bar, you can see I hit format and I can change the theme. Changing the theme just basically means I'm taking that background and I'm making a pattern or a design that's already set by Google. So I select one. Let's go with the blue and green one here. And you can see that now we have a background to our picture, our photo, and our text. Now, you can do it for the whole entire slideshow, or you can change and modify your different slides. So here I'm going to go ahead and modify the first slide. I change this background that was set by Google and just make it a color. Now you can see now I have two different colors. One color for the first slide, and then a pattern or a theme for the second slide. Alright, now, just like you can insert images, you can insert different things such as shapes. Here I'm going to insert a shape, an arrow, and this arrow I can enlarge, I can manipulate again to change to fit the form that I desire on my slide. Now let's go ahead and we'll start a new slide here. I'll show you again. Now we start a new slide. It keeps the same theme from the previous slide. And again, you can change this theme, pattern, or background as you wish. So you can apply one thing to all slides, or again, you can make it varied. Let's go ahead and make this blue. And now, just like you had a chance to insert images, you can also insert video from YouTube. And you may not want to do this for our Renaissance project here, but it's just something you could see for future use. So you just click on the video you want. And you come up here to the URL. You copy the URL, right click copy. And then you go back to your presentation, click on the slide you want, click insert. Now, YouTube's also embedded into Google, so you can see you have options of things that you might want. Go ahead and paste that URL that you found, though, into this box right here. And you see my video come up in the selections underneath. I put that into the slide, and you can see I can manipulate it, make it bigger, make it smaller. And I can put a text box to it, put a text box under it, wherever I want it. Spend some time describing the video if I want. Click on it one more time, and it turns into a YouTube file right into my presentation. Click on the play button, and there you have the kitties. Alright, so let's say you have your slides done here, and you want to add one last slide. Okay. You just go here, click add slide. Alright, and click whatever format you want. Now, as you can see, I added the slide to go after the first one, but I can move those slides up and down as I work on my project. And now we've come to the end. So, thanks for watching.